HMV is an iconic brand and a specialist entertainment retailer with 130 stores throughout the UK, employing just under 2,000 people.
Before we engaged with Cisilion, our previous network was very difficult to maintain. It required very specialist resource to manage. We had no resilience across any of our stores, and we had no Wi-Fi solution.
We also had very limited bandwidth, which meant that for operational requirements we were often saying no when really we wanted to say yes.
The solution that Cisilion provided was a fully managed Cisco Meraki SD-WAN that gave us complete visibility across all of our sites. The key benefits of the Cisilion solution were significant cost savings of around £200,000 across the term of the contract, improved resilience and bandwidth across all our sites, and improved service and SLAs. The new solution is an enabler rather than an inhibitor and allows us to deliver new services to the business quickly. The Cisco Meraki solution gives us the potential to better understand our customers through heat mapping and Wi-Fi location services. There are also a lot of other features that we're still discovering that are bringing benefit to the business.
We chose Cisilion because they showed great understanding of our business requirements, and they also demonstrated expertise in all areas. That gave us great confidence when working with them going forward.
Cisilion hosted some fantastic SD-WAN events in their innovation centre, comparing market leaders, and ultimately put us on our path to choosing the Cisco Meraki solution.
In the future we'll continue to look at other elements of the Meraki portfolio, such as CCTV security surveillance and telephony. When we work with a supplier, we want to work with a partner. We want to build a strong relationship with that partner, and it's an absolute pleasure to work with Team Cisilion.
Cisilion showed a deep understanding of our business and its challenges. We built a very strong relationship in a short period of time. To put it simply, I just love Team Cisilion.